In behalf of the PNP, we would like to confirm categorically that as of 6 o'clock p.m. last night, there's been no arrest for Senator Bato. Okay? There's been a lot of speculation na nahuli siya and he's being whisked away to the Hague. Hindi po totoo yan. Nag-coordinate na po kami sa DOJ, nag-coordinate ang DLG, lahat ng law enforcement units. Senator Bato is still being hunted down. Alam mo, ang fake news ngayon, ibang klase. Di ba? Ang daming fake news. In fact, tomorrow pupunta ako sa Makati para i-dispel yung mga fake news na nangyari doon. Pero fake news has taken a life of its own. Kaya to counter fake news, kayo dapat ang kakampi namin dyan. Diba? The statements have to come from us kung talaga nangyari o hindi.
Check update na lang sa operation and last known location ni Senador Bato.
Mindanao area. Of course, we're always open. We're always transparent naman kung ano nangyari. No, hindi kami ganun. Wala kaming secret operations na hindi malalaman ng mga tao. We were always transparent with what we do.
Anong proseso kung sakali ma-arrest ko sino?
All the proper channels, all the proper procedures gagawin namin according to rule of law. He will be booked. He will be made to appear in court. Then dadalhin na siya for extradition, for confirmation.
Saan specifically sa Mindanao may kumukupo pa sa kanya?
Hindi nyo na lang.